To celebrate the release of the new Batman movie, Fossil have collaborated with the DC Comics franchise to produce a limited number of this really unique model. The model number is LE1142SET, and it has been presented in an on-theme blacked out display base, which comes with a handy little tray that holds 2 extra bands, one with a cheeky compass on there. The watch itself is an automatic and uses a Seiko NH35A movement, which affords a 41-hour power reserve. With a 3-hand movement and a date window at 6 o'clock, this is a really functional piece. It's not over the top with its styling, and you'd have to look close to realize it's a branded model. Made from stainless steel and coated in a textured matte black paint, this watch looks and feels like something Batman himself would wear. The case diameter measures in at 43mm, and the included silicone band is actually really thick. The 2 other bands are of similar thickness, with the compass one using silicone on the underside and fabric on the outside. The other one using the same nylon fabric on the outside and a leather inside. This watch is pretty damn cool if you ask me. On the face we have a sizable Batman logo and the bat figure above the date window. There's a great exhibition caseback showing off the movement, and the glass has been imprinted with a red bat logo. One little detail I love is the bat logo stamped into the crown. The crown makes a nice click when pulled out, changing the time feels smooth, and overall the build quality is solid. The small splashes of red on the crown and minute hand break up the otherwise monochrome color palette, and I can see this watch looking awesome with a completely black outfit. This is a great collector's item, and the display stand makes it worthy for the mantelpiece. If you know someone who collects these sorts of products, send them this video. This would make the perfect gift for someone obsessed with the Batman films or comics. So go ahead and check this one out online at watchdepot.com.au, but be quick because limited numbers are available.